Hey everybody, Jandareview, and today we are at H RVs here in Haleyville, Alabama. Now if you just found our channel, go ahead and subscribe and follow along with us, and also give us that thumbs up if you like our videos. Now today we are excited to do a first for the show, and it's a 2023 KZ Durango, model number 326RLT. So let's get started. The length on this Durango is 37 feet, 7 inches. The dry weight is 10,520 pounds, and that hitch weight is 1,860.
Well, like Jeremy just said, this is the first time that we have been able to do a Durango, so we're really excited to bring you something new today. Let's start over here in the pass-through storage. Very large, very well done storage. You'll see you've got a shelf up there. Your docking bay is all right there. Furrion water heater.
Yes.
Looks like your dump valves are all in a really convenient location.
Frameless windows.
Very
Wow.
pretty. Right here, your 2 propane tanks.
Auto
leveling system right out there. That's in a very good location where you can see your truck while you're unhitching. Coming right on around here at the front, this is going to be a very large compartment. See, it's nice and clean, and this is not prepped for a generator, but you have lots of space. A lot of brands will put their spare here. However, the Durango is going to have a spare at the back of their camper. Right here on this side, your batteries will mount in here.
Battery cut off.
Your disconnect is all right up there. Here is the campsite of your pass-through storage. This unit already has the outside TV mounted with a cover, and it also gives you this neat little JBL Bluetooth speaker. But again, just look how huge this storage is under here. This is awesome outside storage. Let me back up just a second. We're going to have a nice large power awning with an LED light strip. Also here on your campsite, they do give you a pull-out Suburban griddle. 17 foot.
Yeah.
But this may be a 17-inch Suburban.
Yeah, it's a small. Yes, it's small. Sorry. We'll
now
get
that you have established that we don't know what we're talking about, let's go inside and take a look.
All right, here we go.
This is going to be a rear living unit. So let's go ahead and start at the back in the living room. We'll just go ahead and start with your entertainment center, since that is the first thing that you see. You'll have a nice large TV already mounted.
Holy moly.
That's probably a
60
inch.
65. Oh, dear goodness.
Storage on both sides.
Yep.
You got storage up across the top. Down here below. It's a little chilly this morning. We have the heater actually on. So this is a really nice large InnoFlame electric fireplace.
Give you a sound bar.
Sound bar. More storage.
Yep.
All the way around. This is also going to have a ceiling fan in here. In your opposing slides, you're going to have 2 trifold sofas. Right there. Nice carpetless slides. Your theater seating is going to be directly in front of your TV. Absolute perfect location. Storage right there. And this is, what else has got? Heat,
Yes.
massage, lights,
And it's all
and a
electric.
USB port. Wow.
Let me just take a minute.
I may have to finish this video by myself at this point.
Yeah, you may have to.
Okay, come on, get up, let's go.
This is nice.
Right here, we'll go start into the kitchen. And they're going to have a really good pantry. This is beside a 4-door refrigerator. This is going to be a gas electric.
Yeah.
So if you like to boondock, you can definitely do that. with this fridge. And this kitchen area and your sofa is all in one large slide. Moving right on around, your nice large microwave. That's a convection microwave.
Yes.
Storage on both sides of it. Your residential insignia 4-burner stove with oven. You can fit a turkey in there.
And we've got, wow,
lots of drawers. This is also going to have solid surface countertops.
Yes. Okay.
Coming on around, here's your large single basin sink. Good storage up above. Let me just back this up so you can just take it all in.
That's nice.
Very nice. Down below.
Hey, look at there.
And they give you a stand for your sink inserts. So I love that. Some storage right there, right above your fuses. This is going to have a bar height table that has got a bench on one side, and you've got 2 bar stools. Now this one is still up for travel mode because they will bungee in place while you're traveling. It's super convenient. Love these bar stools.
Yep.
So, and gives you a little bit of division here between your kitchen and your living room.
You see we do have heat vents in the floor.
Yes, vents are in the floor. And let me back up one more time. Here's another shot of the ceiling fan, and here's your first AC unit.
Now I'm not real sure who they designed this for, but
they did give you a shade over that.
Wow.
Wow. Okay, I'm definitely not tall enough, but I am just so glad that they gave you a shade. That's just great. So I tell you what, let's go on upstairs and take a look at the upper deck.
And they give you got you a handle here to.
Very nice. And here's your touch controls right here.
One piece.
Wow. Wow.
One piece.
Nice, nice. One piece
Encore.
fiberglass Encore shower. Jeremy is 6 feet tall. You'll see that they put the skylight there, so you have plenty of headroom.
Plenty. Yes.
Yes. Very nice fixtures. Super nice. Your foot flush toilet is going to be in a really good position. You got lots of leg room around it. Window
in the bathroom.
And they give you dual sinks. Now there's no vanity, no medicine cabinets behind it, but they give you all of this right between the 2 mirrors. Storage down below.
And not to mention 4 more drawers right here.
Oh.
Yep.
And you do have another heat vent right there. And wait, you missed one.
Oh.
And there's more linen cabinets right here.
And they give you a max air fan right here in the.
Yes. All right.
Wow.
Let's move into the main bedroom. This is going to have a king-size bed on a slide. You do have windows on both sides that open for some airflow. And some shelves up above. Lights.
What is these USBs back here?
Yes.
I think.
This is so new, we haven't really had a chance to get in here and look at everything, so. Underneath, you got storage. Here at the foot of the bed,
Wow.
they give you lots of good storage. Your TV in this particular model is already mounted. You do have a second air.
Oh, look at that.
Laundry chute. And even more storage. Oh.
Well, we'll swap
And
positions.
they actually give you a control here for your second air. So, coming into this front
Wow.
closet, you'll see you're going to have a shelf with a bar all the way across. Good open space. And it is prepped for a washer and dryer should you choose to add one. Okay.
Wow.
We'll give you just another quick view of this.
All right, everybody, if you like this Durango fifth wheel, the dealership's information will be down in the description below. And like any questions or anything, just give them a call here at H RVs. And like again, if you just found our channel, go ahead and subscribe and give us that thumbs up. Thanks, everybody.